Hello guys, welcome back to Muggy Dishes. Today we're going to be making my favorite dessert, plantains. A lot of my friends asked me to make this dessert. To start off, you're going to want to peel the bananas. Then you're going to cut it into pieces. Then you're going to put it in the pressure cooker. Add a quarter cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, and a half a teaspoon of cardamom. Now you're going to add 2 cups of water. And cook it for 15 minutes. And this should be your outcome.